Okay, this is 303, fully renovated studio. And this is the living area. And it's generally bright and sunny, but it's a little bit of an overcast day today. And the lights are not on, so it's a little bit on the shadier side. But it's beautiful, brand new floors, brand new kitchen, brand new stainless steel appliances, cabinets. You have the removable faucet, new hardware, new cabinets, new refrigerator, great shape. New dishwasher, new microwave oven, stainless steel, new oven. And here's a little hallway into a renovated bathroom. So you got a fully renovated bathroom, vanity, brand new tub, brand new everything. You got 2 closets here in the hallway. Closet for your clothes, and then a linen closet. In great shape, great building. And the next video will be of the lobby and outside of the building. Thanks.